As we continue to develop the Brace Tool safety timer, our research and development team here at Brace Tool has been working hard to explore and expand the usability of this tool. Primarily designed for the sandline cutter, in this video I've documented my trip down to Red Deer, Alberta with Clint Bowers to test out the Brace Tool safety timer with the bridge plug using a setting tool in one of our vendors' facility. Enjoy this video.
Hi, I'm Clint from Brace Tool. We're here today at Brico Oil Tools in Red Deer, Alberta to do some testing on our safety timer. Our safety timer was initially designed for use with our sandline cutter, but through our R&D processes, we've been experimenting with some other tools that it can be utilized with. In this episode, we're going to be testing it with a bridge plug setting tool, and that's going to be our step for today. Now we'll head inside to the testing area and we'll hook the safety timer up to a number 5 Baker setting tool, and we'll set off a 3.5 inch bridge plug. We've connected our safety timer to the number 5 Baker setting tool, and I will disconnect the magnet here shortly. Our timer is set up for a 1-minute test for the shop test right now, but it's typically set up with the options of 60, 90, or 120 minutes before the timer will be activated. So once I remove the magnet, takes the safety off, and it activates the timer for a 1-minute test.
So while we're waiting for the Brace Tool safety timer to activate, I'd like to take this minute to share a little bit of information about Brico Oil Tools and why we've decided to test our Brace Tool safety timer in their facility rather than our own facility. Brico Oil Tools is an independent supplier of setting tools and bridge plugs. They have the necessary license that we need to test out the Brace Tool safety timer with the setting tool and the bridge plug for this testing video. With their years of expertise in this field, we really believe that their feedback can attest to the reliability and the durability of the Brace Tool safety timer. And with all of that being said, let's go back to the testing video.
Last time we shorted it, it went off, right? So as you can see, our timer activated at 1 minute, and it set off the primary charge, which activated the whole tool. The bridge plug setting tool stroked and sheared the bridge plug off into the piece of tubing. So what's happened here is this sleeve pressed against this part of the bridge plug, which stretches the shear stud out until it has a catastrophic failure, and the bridge plug is set in the tubing. We'd like to thank Brian Chabala from Brico Oil Tools for helping us prove our safety timer in his shop. Brian might have a few words he'd like to say about our timer here.
So we've tested the timer 3 different times now, and it seems to be a very good working tool, and we'd recommend it for anybody.
That concludes our test of the safety timer with the number 5 Baker setting tool. Thanks for watching, and if you find value in these videos, please follow us on our online channels.